Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Career. In this video, I'll be comparing the displays of the Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 7 Pro device. As you can see friends, the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Realme X7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro is of a 1 year old mobile phone from the OnePlus and which is also premium end smartphone. And the Realme X7 Pro is a recently launched mobile phone from the Realme which has very good display specifications as well. And in this video, I'll be just comparing the both the display qualities, and let's see friends which display is the best and why as well. I'll try to talk everything about the display in this phone in this video comparison, so make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know more results about this both the smartphones. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also do follow me regularly, and by checking the playlist of each and every smartphone. In case if you're planning to buy the device, definitely you need to check this playlist for the updated videos. So every day I'll try to do so many videos and so many comparisons with other smartphones, so make sure to follow me regularly for the regular updates. So let me first quickly show you the display properties of the both the smartphones, so which phone has the better in terms of the hardware thing. So first let's talk about the hardware, then I can go through the realistic colors difference between both of the smartphones. So right now the OnePlus 7 Pro is using the Fluid AMOLED panel technology, and whereas the Realme phones it's using the Super AMOLED panel, as you can see friends, which has 120 Hz, and the OnePlus 7 Pro has a 90 Hz refresh rate and 120 Hz on the Realme phone, and 6.67 inches and 6.55 inches on the Realme device, and HDR10 plus certified. And there is no information about the HDR10 in this Realme X7 Pro device at the moment in this website. I think I'm 50-50 sure that it should be able to support, because the Realme X2 Pro is also supported with the HDR10. Then definitely this should also be supported with that, I'm thinking so. And next is that the resolution is of Quad HD on this OnePlus 7 Pro, so slightly higher in terms of the resolution, so more pixel density 515, so the images will look definitely sharp and crisp on this OnePlus 7 Pro device. And next is the Realme phone has a 1080p resolution only and 402 pixel density versus 516 pixel density. You can clearly see it friends are the difference. So this is what the basic hardware thing is going on, and let's dig into the deep about the software advantages, which phone has better advantages in terms of the customization. So first advantage is OnePlus 7 Pro has a lot of advantage in terms of the customization. If you go to the screen calibration, you can have that vivid mode, nature, and the advanced mode. So even there in the advanced, you do have the different kind of options here, as you can see friends. So usually I'll try to select this AMOLED wide gamut to get the very good AMOLED colors effect, eye saturation and eye contrast effect. But in the Realme phones you don't have any of those kind of options, unfortunately. That's a big drawback for the Realme phone at the moment. They need to definitely improve a lot of things in the Realme phones. I'm not sure when they're gonna improve. This is my problem from the beginning of using the Realme phones. So few of the things are not at all present in this phone. For example, like this customization is going on. There's no customization at all. So the only option you're having is select the screen temperature, cool or default or warm. So this is a very normal basic settings you are having in this phone. So now let me try to play the video in both the phones, and let me even show you I'm using the Quad HD resolution. I did not decrease any resolution, 90 Hz. So let me try to play the video right now by comparing both phones. As you can see friends, right now I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones, and one thing quickly I did notice is that the OnePlus 7 Pro has got very good screen because of this curved edges, so which looks really amazing while watching the full screen videos and without any punch hole or any notch disturbances on the OnePlus 7 Pro, which is really good. So from the past 1 year I'm using the OnePlus 7 Pro with me. I still love the OnePlus 7 Pro for its build quality and the form factor it has got. So very good build quality in this phone. Regarding the display is really good, and bezels are very slim on the top and bottom, which looks kind of similar from the top and bottom, so which is also another advantage here. As you can see friends, overall the build quality is really good between both the smartphones. And let me even compare the differences. So even though the OnePlus 7 Pro has got a slightly big display, but still it's manageable to the same size of the Realme X7 Pro. So overall, in terms of the colors, both are looking kind of same, but the OnePlus 7 Pro has got slightly advantage in terms of saturation mode. So because of the settings which I used in the OnePlus 7 Pro, so this is only the one settings which makes a lot of difference in the OnePlus 7 Pro. Slightly high saturated and high contrast mode which is present in the OnePlus 7 Pro device. So which I did observe right now. So I'm using the full brightness mode at the right now. And don't worry friends about this 30 and 16 percentage. MX player acts differently in the OnePlus 7 Pro, so that's why you're getting 30, but I'm using full brightness here in both the smartphone. So I did not find much difference apart from this curved edges and the full screen experience. So these are the few points I gave to the OnePlus 7 Pro. The video which I'm playing is the 1080 video, so it doesn't make much difference in the OnePlus 7 Pro as well. If you're playing any 4K video, maybe it might make advantage on the OnePlus 7 Pro because of the Quad HD resolution it has got. But overall, both are looking kind of very close to each other and very similar in terms of the quality of the image they're producing. As I said, the display of the OnePlus 7 Pro is really good. If you don't want the curved edges, because few people they don't like the curved edges because of the accidental touch issues while it will happen in this phone. But for me, I did like the curved edges pretty much more than any other smartphone. So the OnePlus 7 Pro is all time my favorite device for the best having best display in this category. And that's it friends, is a quick display comparison between both of the smartphones. And for more this kind of interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned for my upcoming videos as well friends. I'll be doing so many videos on the OnePlus 7 Pro or any other smartphone in my channel. I'll try to compare so many with the Realme X1 Pro as well in terms of the build quality, loudspeaker, and a lot of other things. And if you have anything in mind, make sure to comment below. And thank you friends for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.